If you wanted to capture immersive and interactive photos and videos, a 360-degree camera is a perfect tool. With it, you can fully view your surroundings in every direction. Whether you're looking to create engaging content for your social media, capture memorable moments with friends and family, or even create virtual reality experiences, a 360 camera is an excellent investment. The best 360 cameras are designed to be user-friendly, portable, and produce high-quality content. We have put together a video featuring the top 5 360 cameras for 2023. Whether you're an expert photographer or a casual user, you'll find an option on this list that suits you perfectly. Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition. Let's begin with the latest Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition camera that elevates your photography and videography game. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this camera is designed to capture stunning visuals like never before. At $799.99, it offers excellent value for money and is perfect for professional photographers and amateurs looking to take their skills to the next level. This camera boasts dual 1-inch CMOS sensors that deliver unparalleled image quality, outstanding dynamic range, and superb low-light performance. This means you can capture stunning footage in any lighting condition, whether indoors or outdoors. With 6K 360-degree capture, the invisible selfie stick, and 360 reframings, the Insta360 camera is the ultimate creative tool. You can easily capture impossible shots with this camera, and the 360 reframing feature allows you to seamlessly stitch together 21-megapixel 360 stills that capture the world around you in sharp definition. The Insta360 camera also features flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, which deliver incredibly smooth videos. You won't need a gimbal to keep your footage level. Additionally, the camera has a proprietary image stabilization algorithm that helps deliver smooth and stable videos. Thanks to its interchangeable lens design, the Insta360 camera is ultra-versatile and upgradable. It's also IPX3 water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about the weather. The 1350 mAh vertical battery base gives you all the power you need for high-level productions, and the quick reader helps speed up your mobile editing workflow. If you're looking for fun footage without the hassle, the Insta360 camera has Shot Lab, home to loads of one-tap editing templates to mix up your creative shots. The Insta360 app is packed with features that help you get the best shot anytime, anywhere. Its premium image quality makes it perfect for virtual tour creation, Google Street View imagery, construction site monitoring, and more. And if you need to combine your 360 videos with footage shot on other cameras, try the Adobe Premiere Pro No-Stitch plugin. The Insta360 camera is not just a device, but a powerful tool that can help you capture and share your life experiences uniquely and unforgettably. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max is number 2 on our list of the 5 best 360 cameras of 2023, priced at a miserly $499.99. This versatile camera offers classic hero-style video and photos and immersive 360-degree footage of everything around you. With 3 cameras in one, you can vlog with shotgun mic performance and a front-facing screen. One of the most compelling features of the Max is its 360-degree video capability. While this might take some time, it's a game-changer for capturing immersive footage. The Max also boasts hyper-smooth stabilization, which GoPro claims is the smoothest and steadiest stabilization it has ever offered. It also has horizon leveling, which keeps your footage level even if you spin the camera around in the air. If you plan to use the GoPro Max 360 camera, you should know that it requires one lithium-ion battery to operate. The battery is built-in and rechargeable, providing up to 78 minutes of continuous recording on a single charge. In terms of resolution, the Max captures 360-degree video at a spherical resolution of 5.6K at 30 FPS. It captures at 6K, but the 2 video streams are stitched together to produce the final 5.6K result. In Hero Action Camera mode, it shoots up to 1440p. It's worth noting that this is at a Nod:4:3 aspect ratio. If you want a more normal resolution, you're stuck with regular 1080p. The Max also features 6 microphones, allowing it to record spherical audio, stereo, or shotgun directional audio depending on which mode you're in and which lens you're using. It can also capture 16-megapixel 360-degree stills, 5-megapixel regular shots, and PowerPano images, which capture a 270-degree shot instantly without having to move the camera. Once you've captured your footage, you can edit it like regular 360-degree footage using the reframe tool. You can drag the camera viewpoint around, drop in keyframes, and render out 1080p video for use in a longer project. The Max is limited to 24 or 30 FPS when using both lenses at launch. The Max doesn't offer as high a frame rate when using a single lens, but you can still push it to 60 FPS for less extreme coverage. The Max has a 16mm wide-angle lens, a 19mm wide linear lens that removes distortion, and a 27mm angle of view close to a smartphone's main lens. Finally, Max's touch interface makes switching between different capture modes easy, something that needs to be added to competitors. Step into a world of limitless creativity with the freedom and flexibility of GoPro Max. Insta360 X3. Get ready to capture all your adventures in stunning detail with the Insta360 III, the ultimate 360 camera for adrenaline junkies and nature lovers alike. Packed with cutting-edge features, this powerful camera lets you easily and precisely capture every angle, delivering crystal-clear footage and mind-blowing panoramas. And at just $429.99, it's an investment that will pay off for years. The Insta360 X3 has dual 1/2 48-megapixel sensors that produce clear and detailed images, even in low-light conditions. It can capture 5.7K 360 active HDR video and 72-megapixel photos, as well as 8K time-lapse. With easy reframing tools in the AI-powered Insta360 app, you can choose your favorite angle after the fact. The X3 has 360-degree capabilities and a 4K single-lens mode that enables you to capture wide-angle footage like a conventional action camera. For first-person filming, you can pick between 2.7K max view's incredibly wide 170-degree field of view and 4K 30 FPS resolution. Check out the brand-new Me mode, which lets the frame concentrate entirely on you. You can also take a 60 FPS video of yourself without the selfie stick for amazing slow motion. Keep yourself in the frame. There's no need to reframe. The X's flow state stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms ensure incredibly smooth and stable video, even when you're on the move. Plus, the 360 lens makes the invisible selfie stick disappear from your shots, allowing for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. With its 1800 mAh battery, the X3 can power through all your action-packed adventures. It's also waterproof, and with the DV case, you can take it down to 164 feet 50 meters for seamless stitching of your underwater 360 footage. Finally, thanks to its larger new sensors, the X3 allows you to capture stunning 360 time-lapse videos in eye-popping 8K quality. With Insta360 X3, the endless possibilities allow you to capture every angle of your favorite moments in stunning detail. Ricoh Theta X, presenting the ultimate tool for capturing and sharing immersive 360-degree experiences, the Ricoh Theta X. With its advanced technology and innovative features, this camera will take your photography and videography to the next level. Priced at $796.95, the Theta X offers incredible value for personal and business use. One of the key features of this camera is its ability to capture high-resolution 360-degree still images with a maximum output of approximately 60 megapixel, making it perfect for showcasing the smallest details of any room or worksite. With Theta X, you can enjoy improved image stabilization, smoother footage even during motion, and the ability to shoot at up to 5.7K, 60 FPS video, creating high-quality content that truly stands out. The camera is also designed for usability and outstanding quality. It has an internal memory of approximately 46 GB, allowing up to 11K or 5.5K photos. The camera includes a 1/2-inch sensor that produces high-resolution images, while the touch panel allows easy shooting settings without using a smartphone app. Another distinct feature of the Theta X is its ability to support an external memory card in addition to the internal memory, enabling users to shoot for longer periods. The battery is also replaceable, allowing for uninterrupted shooting even during extended use. The Theta X also supports live streaming in 4K and is compatible with YouTube live streaming. The Ricoh Theta X brings a new dimension to photography, enabling you to see and feel the world like never before. Trisio Lite2. Lastly, we have the Trisio Lite2 360 camera on our list. Priced at $399, this camera is a powerful tool that can help you easily capture immersive 3D images of any indoor space. With just a press of a button, you can capture high-resolution 8K 32-megapixel images of any complex indoor environment using the Trisio Lite2 360 camera. The camera boasts a spherical distortion-free optical lens with no derotate technology and a sophisticated CNC motor to provide precise and accurate imaging. One of the most notable features of this camera that you should be aware of is the AnyScene Full Scene Adaptive Imaging System. This system effectively solves the brightness suppression and darkness compensation problems, allowing you to capture high-quality panoramic shots with a visually immersive experience. The battery of this device has a capacity of 2,480 mAh, which means that you can use it for an extended period without worrying about running out of power. If you're a photography enthusiast or need to capture images for various applications, the Trisio Lite2 360 camera is an ideal choice. Embrace a new way of capturing your surroundings and reliving your experiences with the immersive power of the Trisio Lite2 360 camera. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Do check them out. 360 View has recently gained immense popularity due to its different point of views and the increased number of devices that can support it, which is why we've finally given you our top 5 picks on the matter. Do share your feedback in the comments section, as your feedback is our driving force. Hoping you enjoyed this video, and in the end, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe. See you at the next one.